Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add Google Gemini in Google Message app. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Message app. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open my Google Message app. Then having opened up your Google Message app, you will see your Google Gemini AI right here. Now, how do you disable it or hide it? First thing first, click on the Gemini app. So you click on the Gemini icon, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on Add Gemini. And it's take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn off this button right here. It's that simple. Your chat with Gemini has been stopped, so we can easily go back, and there is no more Google Gemini AI in our Messenger app in our Google Message app right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.